have some. Where's yours?
Where's your Easter
Where's your
basket?
Easter basket?
It's over there.
You go around the table to get it?
Do you want Dave to get it for you? And you can open the stuff? No.
You get it, Shani.
You get it. Come.
Go ahead.
Oh, come with me. Mommy.
Okay, buddy.
Okay.
Thank you, Dee. Look, Shane. Get right here. Look. Look at all that stuff in there.
I'm going to find some more Easter eggs.
We're going to have to do an Easter egg hunt in just a minute.
Whoa! Yeah!
What is it?
What'd you get?
Does it look like a bunny? And look, Shane. What's this?
It's Mr. Potato Head.
It's a ball. That looks like a monkey.
Whoa.
I want one.
You have one.
No, why did I not get two?
Because you got other stuff. You got jewels. And he didn't get jewels.
Why? Uncle.
And then look at what else.
Mine!
No, what do you say?
Thank you.
Where's your big ball? Here it is, Shane. Get it.
Whoa! I did a really good
Wink. Here it comes. Here it comes. We can't open it till after lunch, probably, buddy.
Dinner.
Or dinner or something.
Whatever. Maybe after.
All right.